I keep you strong, light warriors, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Maintain the mind, body, and spirit. Because, light warriors, maintenance is always cheaper than repair. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on the evolutionary journey. Maintenance is always cheaper than repair. Remember these words, light warriors. When we go on our journey, things start to break down when we become stagnant. But if we always remember that maintenance is always cheaper than repair, we could successfully navigate on our journey. So we want to strengthen the mind, the body, and the spirit. And if we are always maintaining all three, it is a lot easier than just letting the body, the mind, or the spirit break down. A lot of us are conscious of our body, and we maintain our body, but think about the physical body, for example. If you just sit around and you just let it go and then have to worry about fixing something, which can maybe be a hospital visit, a surgery, but if you're focused on the physical body and you're maintaining the physical body, maintenance is always cheaper than repair. So we want to keep our body running efficiently, and that comes from what we consume. And what we consume is not only what we eat and drink, it's what we watch and what we listen to. And everything that we consume will become our core vibrational frequency. So if we're conscious of the foods that we're eating and we're maintaining our physical body with the proper foods, the proper water, and we're maintaining what we watch, what we listen to, what our surroundings are. You like these surroundings, light warriors? You want to keep the physical vessel strong. And if you're constantly maintaining the body, it's a lot cheaper than repair. Sometimes we need to maintain the body by being active. Physical activity. And when we're physically active and we're taking care of our physical health, it's going to be a lot easier than having to do a major repair. So you make the most of what you can. Everyone is different on their journey. Everyone's abilities are different on their journey. So you want to partake in physical activity that resonates with you, whether it's lifting weights, biking, or maybe hiking up on the mountains, right? So you want to continue this maintenance of the body. So we don't want to become stagnant, right? Just like the waters. You want to flow like the water. And just like water, when the water is stagnant, disease occurs in stagnation. So you want to keep moving and do what you can. So, for example, on my journey recently, this year, this glorious year of 2020, we're constantly going through these closures in our gyms. And on my journey, it's always been a major part of my physical health to go to the gym and lift weights. But when the gyms are closed, it doesn't mean we just stop everything. We could still maintain. You could still do things without having everything available to you. So do what you can, right? So Everyone is different. Now, for example, if I'm in the gym and I'm lifting heavy weights, obviously the body's going to respond accordingly. But if you get whatever you can and do what you can in the meantime, maintenance is a lot cheaper and a lot easier than dealing with total repair. So when I do have things available, again, to me, I'm not going to be that far behind. So picture how far off you could be if when everything changed this year and we didn't do anything, just waiting around. Waiting brings on more waiting. So you want to be physically strong. So what are your activities, light warriors? It could be anything. You don't have to lift heavy weights all the time. That might be for you, as it is for me, but you might resonate with other things. So now I'm thinking outside the box. I'm riding my bike, I'm hiking out in nature, and I'm doing other things besides the routines and rituals that I always have done. But I am constantly maintaining. So physically, we want to maintain, but emotionally, we also want to maintain, right? So we don't want to disconnect from everyone, but we also want to manage who we are connecting with. And that's important for our journey. So it's important to connect with people that resonate with you and have people to talk to. And it helps to allow emotions out. What is emotion? Energy in motion. So sometimes when we bottle up these negative emotions and we don't let it out, it can fester and negatively affect the physical body. So we want to keep in mind to emotionally be strong and be conscious of who we surround ourselves with. So during this reset, we might be finding people that are better for us, and we want to surround ourselves with these people. So, like, you might have a friend like I do, and my friend Matt pushes me, and I push him, and we push back and forth, and it helps strengthen and get through this time period. So it's important to surround yourself with people that have your best interests at heart and are going to improve your life. Are the people that you surround yourself with improving your life, or are the people dragging you down, causing you anxiety, causing you pain? It's time to remove those people. So just like anything else, it's important to remove negative people that don't have your best interests at heart. And that's how you can maintain your emotional strength. Who has your back? Who does not have your back? Who has emotional support for you? And who are the people that are just there dragging you down? They might be lowering your emotional strength. So it's time to remove these people from your everyday life. And it's important to be spiritually strong. And are we maintaining this spiritual strength? Because this world is changing, and it will continue to change, and it will never be the same again. So it's an important time to strengthen your spirituality. A person asked me, Michael, what really is spirituality? It's the relationship that you have with yourself. So it's time to become spiritually strong and maintain your spirituality, right? We want to be spiritually strong, and we want to learn, we want to educate ourselves, and we don't want to just download a bunch of subconscious programs that do not serve our greatest purpose. A lot of times on our journey, we are given a set of subconscious programs, And these subconscious programs keep us in a box of limiting beliefs. But when you are expanding your consciousness and you remove these subconscious programs that keep you in a state of limitation, everything begins to change. And that's what this reset is all about. It's about change. It's about restoring. And it's about harmonizing with source frequency. If you find this message interesting and you would like to learn more about our reality in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration, why don't you click subscribe, give the video a like so it becomes visible to more people, and please share with one other person, because if we all share with one other person, we will rapidly grow our 5D community. And we're improving our everyday life experience, and we're improving our physical and mental health. Maintenance is a lot cheaper than repair, light warriors. So we want to maintain physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Manage all three. And then, light warriors, you will become the person that you came here to be. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious that maintenance is the way to go, light warriors. Use this to raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. Dear ones, I am Michael. We are the 144,000 warriors of the rainbow. It is time to take back our everyday lives. It's your life, light warriors. Nobody is going to maintain it for you. You need to maintain your life by yourself. It's important during this time period to be physically, spiritually, and emotionally strong. And do what you need to do to maintain your core vibrational frequency. Get out in nature, kid. You like it out here? Your surroundings will help you manage all three aspects. Maintain. Don't just stay inside all day. They want you to stay inside, right? No. You need to get out in nature. You need to disconnect from subconscious programs. And you need to reconnect to source frequency. There's an entire world out there, and many people are not even conscious of it. But during this reset, we are all disconnecting and reconnecting. So let's be strong. Physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Remember, light warriors, don't forget it. Maintenance is always cheaper than repair. A little bit each day, little changes each day will make a great deal of difference. And we all need this right now. So if this message resonates with you, share it with others. And we are all going to and through the event. I am the defender of our everyday lives. Victory of the light. Maintenance every day. Keep maintaining. Resiliency. A little bit each day. Everyone's journey is different, so do what you need to do to maintain all three aspects of your everyday life. And get out in nature. Start exploring. Take it in. Who else takes you to all the spots, Light Warriors? Victory of the light.